That can be a rental. That can be a rent to own. That could be an Airbnb, Section 8, veteran assistance, elderly housing, weekly stays, monthly stays, rentals, wholesales, flips, endless opportunities. That's what mobile home investing is. Hello everyone, my name is Jose J. Garcia. I am a real estate investor, coach, and mentor specializing in mobile homes. Best-selling author, Trailer Park King, How to Become a Mobile Home Millionaire. I am in one of our communities reviewing some of these mobile homes. Just got through talking to one of my contractors who was reviewing and rehabbing one of the mobile homes that we're going to put on the market as a rental. All those strategies I just mentioned can be done in any community, in any market, if you know your numbers. You got to know your numbers. Mobile home investing is real estate investing, and it starts by numbers. You got to know what the ARVs are, after repair values. You have to know what the lot rents are, what the rental rates are, what the expenses, what the budget. So many things can be missed. Not here. Visit us, GarciaMHU.com. Look forward to connecting with you.